In today's hybrid workspace, meetings happen in different rooms and setups. Meeting quality cannot be left to chance. It has to be consistent, every room, every time. At Shure, we have spent nearly a century shaping how the world sounds with decades of experience in bringing innovative audio solutions for collaboration spaces. Hi, this is Devraj from Shure, and today we are proudly continuing the innovation journey with the new IntelliMix Room Kits for Microsoft Teams rooms. A complete, ready-to-deploy solution delivering premium audio, intelligent processing, and a seamless experience all in one integrated system. Every kit is built on Shure's professional audio expertise, ensuring performance you can rely on. An industry-first built-in IntelliMix DSP on the compute further enhances the audio with advanced echo cancellation and noise reduction, so conversations sound natural even in challenging spaces. Beamforming ceiling microphones focus on human voice in the room while reducing distractions, so remote participants hear speech clearly, not the room. The speakers are built directly into the microphone, removing the need for external speakers, thereby keeping the setup clean. IntelliMix Room Kits also simplify deployment. With pre-configured components and cleaner installs, they deliver consistent performance across rooms. With centralized management, IT teams can monitor and standardize meeting spaces at scale. Since every space has different requirements, IntelliMix Room Kits are available in multiple configurations. There are small room kits for huddle and focus spaces, medium room kits for 12 to 15-seater conference rooms, and large room kits for boardrooms and high-impact collaboration areas. Each kit is designed to match the room size, coverage, and performance needs. There's also a bundle available specifically for custom installations as well. The result is a meeting experience that feels effortless, with clearer conversations, better intelligibility, and fewer interruptions. Built for modern collaboration workflows, the IntelliMix Room Kits are designed and certified for Microsoft Teams rooms, so users can join meetings easily while technology stays in the background and collaboration stays seamless. So that was a quick overview of the new Shure IntelliMix Room Kits, bringing together exceptional audio, simplified deployment, and scalable solutions for better meetings. For more information, please follow our social media channels or write to us at india@shure.com.